Ecuador is the #1 producer of roses in the world.
If you're a flower lover or a gardener, you're in luck, because when you come to Ecuador, you can get a behind-the-scenes tour at one of the greenhouses and discover why this is the best country in the world to grow roses.
Right now we are 10,000 feet. We are in the highlands of Ecuador, so that helps us to produce long stems and very bright roses. Because we are in the middle of the world, the climate is constant and we have 12 hours of light.
It really is magnificent to wander through the greenhouses and stop and smell these tall, plump roses while getting a behind-the-scenes tour of the plantation.
In one hectare of roses, we employ 10 persons. That here in this farm we have 10 hectares, so we have employ 100 people, and most of that people are women.
So when you buy a rose from Ecuador, not only are you buying a healthy, beautiful rose grown in one of the best places in the world to grow a rose, but you're making a difference in the lives of the people who work here.
For sure.
Start planning your adventure with Enchanted Expeditions, because life is too short not to stop and smell the famous roses of Ecuador.